Drop them in the drain, and the result will surprise you. The problem of clogged pipes will disappear in seconds. I'll show you how to unclog the drain with something you probably already have at home. First, clean the sink of any visible hair and debris. Sometimes these are caught on the strainer and just need to be removed. Then, take a liter of vinegar and boil it, preferably in a kettle. Let it sit for a moment. Drop 2 aspirin tablets into the drain. Pour the hot vinegar over them. Be careful not to pour hot vinegar on the porcelain sink, as it might crack. Pour the vinegar directly into the drain. You'll hear a characteristic bubbling sound, and foam may start to come out of the drain. When you hear the bubbling, pour a liter of boiling water into the drain. The aspirin, along with the vinegar and boiling water, will unclog the pipe, also neutralizing any unpleasant odors that occasionally come from the pipes. As you can see, a very effective mixture for unclogging drains is the combination of aspirin, hot water, and vinegar.